Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee Freezo. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of strong brewed coffee or 2 shots of espresso for that rich coffee flavor. Next, prepare 1 cup of your favorite milk, whether it's whole milk, almond, or oat. Don't forget about 1.5 cups of ice cubes and your preferred sweetener, like 2 tablespoons of sugar or a flavored syrup. Having these ready ensures a smooth blending process. Now, let's move on to the blending process to achieve that perfect Freezo texture. Carefully pour your chilled coffee, milk, and sweetener into a high-speed blender. Then, add about 1.5 cups of ice. Secure the lid tightly and blend on high for 30 to 60 seconds, or until the mixture is completely smooth and has a delightful slushy consistency. If it's too thick, add a tiny splash of milk. If too thin, a few more ice cubes will do the trick. One of the best parts about making coffee Freezo is the ability to customize it to your liking. For a mocha Freezo, add 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup before blending. A dash of vanilla extract, about 1 teaspoon, can also elevate the flavor profile. Feel free to experiment with different coffee roasts or even a scoop of protein powder for an extra boost. Don't forget to top it off with whipped cream and a sprinkle of cocoa powder for a truly indulgent treat. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your delicious homemade coffee Freezo. Carefully pour the perfectly blended mixture into a tall, chilled glass. For the best experience, serve it immediately to ensure it retains its icy, refreshing texture. You can add a straw and a long spoon for easy enjoyment. Take a moment to savor the cool, creamy, and invigorating taste of your perfectly crafted coffee Freezo. It's a delightful treat for any time of day.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.